a Shopkins Saturday, and today we are opening Shopkins Season 2 refrigerator, and we're opening 3 Shopkins blind boxes. So I'm super excited for this refrigerator, but first I want to start with the Shopkins baskets. It's Shopkins. Let's keep the Shopkins inside and then let's see who we have. We gotta shoot something. This is Heels. Heel. She's rare. She is rare. This is here. Hill. Whatever her name is. Hills. So let's put her down and open the next Shopkins. This is kind of something of coffee. Because I already got one of these, but it's in different color. This is toffee coffee. It's just in a different color. So, this is toffee coffee. I've been waiting for this refrigerator for a long time because it comes with stickers. And I love stickers. Even if they come with Shopkins, I love them. We didn't get a duplicate, it's just in a different color. This is Wendy Washer and she's rare. Is that the Shopkins line over here? I can put all my Shopkins inside this refrigerator. Cool. The Shopkins that I got today. Woo! Come back here. It's Cupcake Chick. And we already have her. Again, I'll send you to one of you guys. It's Cupcake Chick. No. The duplicates go over here. Cupcake Chick, go in my head. I hope I get 2 new more ones. I wonder what it is. First one I'm opening is this one. I already got her. Fifi Flower, I think. This is Fifi Flower. She's common. I think she's common. Or rare. She's rare, but I already have her, so I'll put her in the section. 3 new ones and 2 old ones. And 1 more to go. Yay, we got Boo-hoo Onion! That's why I watch these videos, guys. I know these names. She is a common. She's a common. Okay. Got 3 new ones and 2 old ones. Yay. I'll get these 2 blind boxes out of the way for the big refrigerator. There's this is the refrigerator, and there's little mini eggs inside here, and then there's 2 Shopkins, 2 more Shopkins, and there's soda and strawberry cream, and And then if you put a Shopkin, it goes right down the street to the basket. And you have a bunch of shelfware. So come on. Oh yeah, and it comes with stickers. So come on, let's open it up. I'm just so excited. I just don't want to tell everything to you guys. I just want to open it. Open it, open it, open it. Here's the whole thing. I need my scissors. Scissors, scissors, scissors. Handy dandy scissors. Cut. Here's soda and here's strawberry cream. All ready to get in the fridge. And now I'm gonna go get my Shopkin basket and go see if some Shopkins can fit in here, okay? I'm gonna get some Shopkin baskets and I'm gonna see if some Shopkins can fit in here. There's something I need to do with the baby widows. I'm putting these baby Shopkins back in the fridge. Back in your little space. This one looks like googly. So baby, be quiet because they're sleeping. You don't want to cause an avalanche. Whoa, cool.
Oh.
I didn't know that would happen. It has an opening drawer right here. We have this kind of part. If you put a Shopkin right here, I'll show you. Put a Shopkin right there. You close up this edge. Inside. And ta-da! Move down. Ta-da! And here's one of the Shopkins that came with it. Here's another. So you can do that with all of your Shopkins. So then you put that bucket right there when you're not using it. And you can put Shopkins down this. This refrigerator has lots of stuff to do with it. Oh yeah, and it comes with stickers. If I didn't mention that earlier. Yeah, and I'm gonna open these stickers out. Why a refreshener would be in here to keep the fridge clean, I guess. With baking soda supposed to be in the fridge because it's supposed to be cold, I think. I don't know. Keep your food fresh. Refreshener. Shopkins that we got, and so thank you for watching. Have a great day. And this is Princess Jamila Flower. Tell me what your favorite is, and please leave in the comments. And I'm telling you guys to check back and see how I decorated this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.